Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin this process, ensure you have the following tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. These tools will help you safely and effectively change the cable on your Dyson HS01. First, unplug your Dyson HS01 from the power source to ensure safety. Locate the screws at the bottom of the vacuum. Using the small Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Set them aside in a safe place so you don't lose them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the base of the vacuum. This will expose the internal components, including the cable connection. Take a moment to inspect the area for any debris or dust accumulation. If you notice any buildup, now is a good time to clean it out with a soft brush or cloth. Keeping the internal parts clean will help maintain the vacuum's efficiency. Next, locate the old cable. Carefully detach it from the vacuum by unscrewing any connections. Remember, if you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Just reach out to us. Once the old cable is removed, take your new cable and begin to thread it through the same pathway as the old one. Make sure it's secure and properly aligned. If you find yourself needing assistance, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier than ever to get your appliance serviced. Now, connect the new cable to the vacuum. Use the flathead screwdriver to tighten any screws, ensuring a solid connection. It's essential that this connection is secure to prevent any future issues. If you ever need a quote before repair, don't hesitate to ask us. After securing the cable, position the cover back onto the base of the vacuum. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them with the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure everything is snug, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this can damage the plastic. Finally, clean any remaining dust from the exterior of the vacuum and plug it back in. Test the vacuum to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel, you can rely on us for assistance. And that's it. You've successfully changed the cable on your Dyson HS01. This process not only helps to extend the life of your vacuum but also saves you money on replacements. Regular maintenance like this is key to keeping your appliance in top condition, so don't forget to check for any other necessary repairs or cleaning. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.